So you're trying to just want to say there will be asking. No, this is the last leg. About you, so we always appreciate you. Sauji Brenna, Oshe, Uti. It's going to be interesting because today is Ashanti region proper. You know, the grassroots communicators. And then Adom, Omaba no paya Ebidisa and Komwe. Joseph Azuma, a member of parliament, a Krufum constituency. And now there will be telling us, a Krufum. Sa check if you say a Krufum is for the end. That's a fly my mistake. I'm saying, Master lawyer for you, Uncle Yadiaba. The lawyer near and double cross check, and also go cross check history, no election results. Ebia honor Ebia also mistake about it. My message is because open so feeling gadochi to watch that TV. What's my mistake? Azuma, a member of parliament to a Krufum constituency on the ticket of the NDC. The one hour cancer baby na my mistake. Mr. Henry Drone I'm going for it. You're in the abbey. Oh my Joseph. Say no. Me checking here. Maybe I may call for an I say Nipa no yes at work no lawyer. So the uncle when my own the Adom local BBC. Local BBC. I confirm boko there. The way almost what Jibril say. Esa pepper the tia the way the Thomas ana. Well, I'm say a confirm me be any so. Okay. The John was it a confirm the I say are you sure this is the situation? I know no. A bishop that just in your friend. The one that's it. Hoboko. Oh, a crofon for. What one was something to say? I quite until Ubo a Yeminia Abasui. Say, oh, you want me to say cheaper or cannot be beer or no baby? Musa me wa bam. Musa me and me leader. But me na yes and beer. So no can be digidia. And you would be grandfather. And he said, Sabi, unim say, I didn't hear petty a microphone. Exactly. Seminia quack at him and sending fancy. And I'm so crying, I'm a fan of Benya, men can so MPP in Tim Fanoso. Yeah. Maybe as I did. Okay. Minisa, you know, cry, Mamma, but to say, me NDC ni my party in a while. And we'll come with Benya more free baby for party. No. I thought it'd be strategically. Will be relationship or no be one. A bro be a party, normal party. You will feel why you buy, who say, what the party to China, a big war. I have yes. And a bill how grow one. O party now grow one. But me would you send this your mind? Your boy city now yet said the FM Kakre. In him say, party in the bay, you bit me be said the bear. You bit him approve right the reason or motor about at the Mayan. Okay. So that at least you bit me a kipu a kunyana chakakra. Many at you are come cheap. Say a baby, or money number more funders as to how. Party what was that game or could teach in the United States with a book, no? Always what the background can be a gin. I never be you go so. I could watch out with your boss, my coach a crowd. And Ray and I do. Yeah. But among a feel of the Ghana we all want. Sure. Ghana. The Ghana we all want. Send a menu aqua and a teal for the Ghana we all want. Everybody is getting what the NDC want. No. Say fuel prices from somewhere 18, 17 per liter, cedi per liter. And the United say Abama Abedubaya, say 12.9 or 12.6 within this week. Dear, would they make a dispute to be between the minimum? But we a businessman or boss or delay in cars and machineries. And Minipa Bakwa or a constituency treasurer, your friend or natural. But the businessman, Mpensenpensenmu. Oton ade afidie Adom am treasurer na ono oton ade na oton in dollars dollar the current the amount no no wahye ho say wutua ntemu a time bia obetua bia wutua the current dollar rate and what ade na ma no de mama nipa bebre ma ebiji na what 13 ade be chi na 14 na wakotua 14 na 15 na wakotua na enya asem ketwa na fama ne pa du ba bi kra say 18 no mi na wo GB and na what ade the man that time na about 15 CD to dollar I do by 10 point something and na nipa no kotua o say that or budget
as of that time
or check or general equivalent to that time
as of that time say 14 up and 14
na me say masa we dey was me dey afi wo frɛ no kra wo mfa e ho nsɛm bebre na me say on testing na me say no kan channel say wo no obi adi nkoma hwe kra beba 8 te ba 8 a ebe ha na chance say what 10 is saying 110 because agreement is agreement. We said dollar no time or beba bitua the current dollar rate and what the bitua amount and the just Ghana we all want to know
okay
obiaje
okay
and now first started talkers and the traffic e wo krom no oboase for instance me call oboase no afi de baby obefa bia traffic edu baby obi park in the car na commercial car
fuel once
yeah fuel once and na wo kuta 100 cedi kra ultimate to fuel no be go car dem ko ba nti obia ni any justification to park his or her car say fuel prices cost so the Ghana we all want to see the prices of first TNT first oboase to Kumasi oboase to hen mampon de ba Kumasi me do full commercial car change ha onim say abafom nti obia benefited this government na se say upie Ghana ani je wo Ghana no em say Kwame Nkrumah je fa hodie no sa time no enye say ni je ayenyan me mom de me nyine bebre sa but say o man no do nipa dodo ani age ko social media no so a platform no so a obia de ade beto ho a na say wo hwa na wo sere sa just say ani je aba ye bom pa say betima sustain against na
okay
and no na me
so as we speak now the Ghana we want
we are on course
it's operational
crowd can open remarks
yes yeah of course
say current there
yeah the Ghana we all want
yes Mahama is the man
yeah, as it stands now.
As it stands now.
For now.
And I strongly believe that it will be sustaining.
Okay, so some aspects now indigenous, I'll do a revision this afternoon.
Okay.
On some of the aspects now indigenous. But for now, you cannot run away that. Yes.
Okay, that's
basics now, Emma or my basics now, or my hurry on. Yeah, Juma businessmen. No. They be at the Okrana Maba, Nemeton Coco. Obercono.
I hope so. What the other name Coco getting.
Oh, yeah, but more this and it's so important. So, but for man we are practicing it already.
Yeah.
Because more and more some boiler project. A buy.
Yeah.
So clearly, it's an improvement that Ghana for every nama a papa a fresh. You can't run away from it. So as a businessman, where I sit, clearly, because find the money balance and so on. The end result is when you're at a reduced price, 20 kilo. So what's the big deal? We took fuel go make more. Can I name 2,200 and then when 1,720 cedis.
So you are making savings.
So there's now I pray for sustenance in terms of the gain. Then we can tackle other aspects. Because we improve some aspects and the it's still early. But we'll keep drawing your attention to some of the flaws in our system.
We are listening government.
Yeah.
So on say menu Harbour Road.
Yeah.
Or can and dinner watch. Omo eguso minister neguso oye. And the ma buying a year sronko. And yes, obenya aso for mo nim de chen or minimum mafo nyina dabi. Nemum the ma a leader, a good leader, and I say me MP, me azumu say me nimnyansa chan or mo ame serve mo nyina as a member of parliament. A opportunity. So you listen to them. Na sometimes the omo bekano, the do no bekano wa say entiamra no ye baako. I feel so yeah ebeboa. Then we do it. So there being a listening leader no and a ma special.
Okasano Unia Dennis Kwakwa, former Director of Communication, Ashanti Region, MPP.
When I do what
former aspirant for Mampo, MPP ticket.
Yeah.
You know.
Ne form ne MP ne menen na wo.
No who Iran wo akoya, especially when I say the Ghana we all want. Nti ohwa kakra no ahwe manim no ahwe wanim. O say ebia ifri ne ye kasa asemi. Kakra no ahwe manim. Minim say ni bra ba de but akwaba ukoma mpa e kire nye sa obi wura party mu so a enwo sa minim de obeka fa Ghana ho ba no mate sen
awan me da se ma menchia ahwefo na atiefo na ubusa say the Ghana we all want to know any so one question abusa that is the question any it's in parenthesis I'll come back to it
okay
ya ka say there said na wo kan da sebre osebonsu otoso mienu da pemsa de menu akwasi kan no na me Adom afiada na ma hye tuntum ne say na de na bia me ba no ye ne aban wo bi kan de enti bia emfifire betime to me hye black ne bebra ahwa na mantumi anyina wiya no tina na masre asesa ma ho fasu kakra no but da sebre enya mampon dia da sebre ya asanteman dia afi se mampon hene na ye asanteman sahene wu ye da sebre wu ye bosome ene na otwemienu mu ni na otumfo pese osinin oye na ye no de be ya daduanan make sure se wasina na mu de enti ne se ene sa asanteman kokko a ye ni obi a ye commander na obedi ekona nemte otumfo hia se de manimu ya onye obi obehwe na chiama no no nti ayi na ankoye mampon yi akoye asanteman yi akwasi adika abubo be so na mencha de advantage kakra aba na se nipa nyina de ho ahyemu asiesie kro no na no nananom stress manfo nkoye communal labor o man trom ho anye e be stress free na kosi fiada de obi ntra ne fie ne mu kwese obi mfiri ba bi meye ono ne fie ne mu adwuma na se wa to store mu na ye store ne mu adwuma wa to store mu ewura o ton ne manya ho ska jagu ho no gya no zo obi na mfiri ba bi mefra esa na chese ya nkasa no ya ma ya ye ho problem ntimesre ba bi aka bi ya ntumi anya na memne da no ye mama mponte minim se e de kaba me se ba bi a me fie wo fie no ma adwene se de menya nko ho se de me fese me wie but e kusi kwa ho pe in defense war no by force ese me penti na kro no ye fe at least obi twama na ehun se mampon bright kakra nti e de kakra baba mfense ne nyina ne yie me bewie ne nya mampon a sese de sese eye eno nti e best trends from manfo nyina yie ne mo so de enti ne trends from na so e be ye fe e be ya abakosema manipa bebre for the past 91 years mampon ye nsie wo hena ote akonwa so afri na no se ebu nso odi kan yes 91 to 94 years ni enti da sebro se ebu nso odi kan ene free mu a somewhere 1931 ye na ya bra no ote akonwa so na o se ebu nso otoso mienu wow are privileged also to have the same esteem that you know enti mampon for party ase no me sure say nipa ehun si esi mampon hena ote akonwa so e no 1000 makoma ko 1000 ye nya no mampon kro be company for mu fie bro 19 say number no ofom eno ntia ba ya abakosama manipa nyina na otumfo ani abre nyina ye bo modern se beta na chi na ya yie no afei de ntia ensa anya bio ye wontumi de na human right matters and I hope say a topic e be kana
de hunkomo
but ansa ma ni ne yie na ohwa na okekanse bi na me rafi obusa said that Ghana we all want to enie obusa sa question because oh de ne kakra ene say okra na ma bia ne bo no dollar na bo me ba ye de wo pe bia at the moment a farmer but enya de
you get kasa me de ene ne ye de
ene de na o de ka anu nti da Ghana we all want to nie obeti a mo say o Ghana cedi na ho den kosoro Ghana cedi the value of money nye paper dodo a wo kai it is the purchasing power of money and a chese cedi wa ho den anase wo fo
utimi nya sika de to ade
ene se obenya to ade ade na etimi to
nti se kanena betima to we a sika ne kura me no ene no
yes and kanena 100 cedis na kufu ado ne ba omi ata bu kura na etimi de koto cement one bag na ya adu 82 cedis now the 18 cedis akofie nti bi kura no na ade be fa abobo ya mo asade abopa me de afa nsu mo start twa blocks ade sidan and NDC time ya mo say Ghana cedi ne wa hoden no okura 100 cedis I say here 40 cedis bill 140 and some 132 wa 82 82 baby prices na ko 132 135 140 akufo ado time na 82
because be
the omro be dey omonye bi da
akufo 82
85 sa na na ton cement organ ansa na ekoko na na ese ma
ofin pacho check man
onra me bobo a wo pe bia wo
we kwa dey bo bi pe
limit on 100 don't say omo wo
order my name me time na me tena wo kasa
95 you 110
what the kasa wi
amani me wram kra ma na nsem komo no nti the purchasing power ana akufo ado times no obi kra 20 cedis okoto body otiminya body ayi betim say no fingers maako 10 20 cedis and na okra 10 cedis e ma na baako then train okra do okra 15 cedis e ma na baako nti say o man we ni o man ya na ye nyina e pede am say honorable ya mistake.
So what you are saying is that yesi kana nya hoden
mo na mo say enya hoden
enye ne yesi
o de enko amanchim ba bi o mo
ya yesi me be kira de bi mu a wo na wo boy am sua de de o pa kira ne say yesi kana nya hoden eso ni sunsu anso wo eye mountain dwa ye di so no e wo fom
me de menyi ntu me say sika hoden gina de sika ne tumi ye no so eno to wo side wo say enya hoden wo duma odim na wo kwa amanchim baby o DMP no buza na say nipa say na toro mpoto crude oil wo pump nipa say na wo ka wo ni crude nti say na akoyi ama wanya MPD na so wanya Land Cruiser na wo petrol wo to friends say o man for ho ato o ye mistake because okrumo amanchim for no do bia pene say nko betumi start esi atakwa me nti ono cement bo hia ne chen de wo ka no onko kraka mfra brochire nipa say na buza say o se dollar aba obi e toka buza say ne krumo nim krofo do etumi odaka enema nkrofo hwehwe wo mabrabom ne sek first no se na ne fie ohwe fridge or what TV or bibia or electricity 100 cedis etime so no ama boso me ba ne wo no aban baaye no mo de 14.75 abato so 100 cedis no try so o se hia 14 cedis 75 first was akososo ansa na boso me watumi anya sa aka ne ana sa nipa no na akufo ado no ba umi ato na katwem 40% na mo si so mo be mo de 10% na tum. And the cement bo baby ehura kodu baby amode kanea ne nsu bo akodu baby ene o koto malt ya ebro 10 cedis akufo ado ta na 7 cedis 8 cedis and it's also now so man mo ye de na no the Ghana we all want oh ye mistake because the ordinary person no makoni je ne tomatoes no koto on koto petrol pump me bwana on kokra akoko na mu mfra brosi okwa
se mo pension no see the man yosem wo ha no ye den. And I remember vividly, more personal. NDC phone him said tomatoes ni meko is seasonal, but they used it against you.
Media menka.
It is over kai biem say, ye pens you see tomatoes ni bo uyi miensa ne bo nye di bo fa paint rubber na baby akodu. Uko fa kenteni dia 25 ne 3000. E seasonal. But ye dey man yourself. So
how man yourself? Ye menka kire o mani abom ho so ne say. Dede na wo ye na okasa wonam kruma adwo. Why say no didi o man for atem? Because no ma will be it is the Ghana they want that they are getting because some jam $50 egu carto baby odu bi otumi chebi and to NDC yes the Ghana you want has come me bwana on to yi and adwuma o want me an create ama mabru no akufo ado de ka create be o mayi MPP fo na say crofobia no friends from MPP fo di edo mo crofo ko san crofo no friends say the Ghana they want has come. But they no so appear adwuma be 5 years ago. Owie university of Bray ya onya bi no. The Ghana wa anticipate say besa ato ne bio no. Eno na mo de ama no. It is not the Ghana they want. Anunti sa omo nante no mo ka bi no mo sesere. Omo nye dede sa no mo sesere the Ghana we want. Where yeah kofa free education but mo chastise ya de mo say nye na free education kura dem prewanyin say ba wa mo hu say Ghana for pe mo say afa de mo ba mo beto aso. Mobamba mankura no first year for nanya sika MPP time obia ni ho a okotua free education ho kai ma no kofele online kwaje ni sika obia ni ho a ban portal de pa adwuma wai ene aban institution na okopa adwuma ya kasa online na party for kra na ekosa de ne enko online ba mo ba ye nkura na mo so betua first year fees amom no maje omobotom sika $3.5 million aban age de adan a okọ register say ntwa ne fees ma no 50 cedis aban na ono so obe mankrofo kuma ha wo no wadi ka abo apo $3.2 million oje free mabru no mu ni hwe no aso paso obo mo mukosko no enti sa ma mu na mo friends na Ghana for hwe de mo ye mistake ene honorable Rashid perform but mu TV so ena wo dwa nanum sa da 24 hour economy na ye create no Ghana ma Ghana for ani aka o ma we mo no Akufo Addo time mo say mabru no tu kwan dodo adan ya o adwuma ni o man mo say mo be create 24-hour economy mo buy ya the first job you are creating is you are exporting 2,000 Ghanaians outside say mo say friend labor export mo buy ya that mo the 24-hour economy na ba no Akufo Addo ntimi anya mo buy ya ma Ghana for any ajo mo mam the first job mo timi create under your government and some mo fa Ghana for mabru 2,000 so mo ko ba bi nkopa adwuma ne and so mo say this is the Ghanaian youth want mo ye mistake bebre no omo ko because omu nya hwenya wa ha Ghana de nanka first akwantu enye problem nanka de ko kwae ho ba mo time when the opportunity came amu opposition be hu say akwantu nkrofo pen mo say eya mamu bo na ntimo ba ye ne yia ma Ghana for atna ha 24 no mo say mo ba ye 133 first one Akufo Addo create mo ba ma yiwo madi the first shift na mo say mo de be ka ho two be ka ho madi kai ba according to my hammer. Is now going to work on 8-hour economy or 16-hour economy. Because first one I work on say would be by my home. My first one for more independence.
But who follow on policy guide no but who follow.
May they
hand you over man.
May they
His Excellency.
Oh my.
If you don't, it will be difficult to understand.
Literature book because what is the use of greetings to a dying man? Papa no wo so chiana o monye so nipa no also be the adwuma na eba de o te adwuma no what pam no. The day na afi na me mehwe book ade ba book no be dey adwuma the book is supposed to come and supplement the oho dada wo share ho bo also buy wo ma te adwuma wo ma bread 5 years 6 years 10 years enya bia ye no why you wo ma di enti dey ba bio na book no ma hua Ghana for
ugidi say 133 no is one of the conduits a bit me aboa
133
for stability
way dey ade na friend 133 wo ho na mahama say obema wadwuma ese kwatre kwaso obema ntoma no dika busa sentoma ne di pa ne sen President Mahama onye bida so create adwuma onye bida eye obehwe no ma power na Akufo Addo ai Akufo Akofa Youth Employment Agency aba oye ya no akotena so no akwese sadi no was youth enterprise support ade bia oba e napkwa ye de ba ye sika sam ye afa akọ waye se o se graduate de be ndebe de ye no e na wo ye ba ontumi nyi ni ye me say the youth policy of the Ghana for koto aba ne say me Mahama or no na na come me come what you say be the president me you obi adi da wanka some people for us me ba me yi mabru na de me nyi adi na emum me de bi be ka ho ama mo amu ni bi na yedai manya bia say nipa ni ka bu saa bo hye no so ade me bi no betumi agi na di wo ho and until the NDC amammo that if this is the Ghana they think say we all want to they are making a mistake the Ghana we want to say rule of law be adwuma and they won't me aye kana asemi ko nkum nipa Ghana mrase so bi kum nipa kra ampo a wa okoche no so offering say bi binti opese okipu no more than 48 hours and I wonder why Ghanaians are accepting a narration from the NDC so I say Wontumi friend says yetieti and fa ho di so no nese so court that is not in our constitution is say wa okoche no opese okipu no more than 48 hours I go to the court and let the court grant you that permission and until Wontumi na friends so betumi anya lawyer ko me nua Yazuma kru amanchem ho me de no na e practical no kobusa ne se ma na wote kwa ho ton bode ya yatoto no emudodo se na se aban ne di asem sa akwan so obenya sika kofa lawyer akoka sa aban titia me fa ho de so the constitution is to protect the poor and vulnerable in society not the rich enu ntie ne ba ye ba krum ha na ma wahumi wa ha ne yaba ye be fa Wontumi akọ ye be je no komo de ne ma ye de ne be kọ omo mfa ne ma ye no mo pọ mo mfa don't pass on the Wontumi yes, we be trying to more to appear or President Mahama must hear this and understand. O man we own to me my God my o man for Ghana yanko yenya me foforo nsum no he is a president who was elected emrana makwan say people must stand in opposition if they don't agree to you your political ideology we must stand in opposition ya de bone eboa ma ban so otia konya so awutumi ye onema awoyeye tretre ne ma ne bo manfo edi enti ne president a obedi ade a mode atemdi di Akufo Addo ho atemdi ba umi atemti se de omunye nipa na obedi ade a osini ko aso obi akasa o Ghana and the mebru no amu use no they don't know the history of this country the freedom of speech ayenya Akufo Addo kofo dubo ahemo nantema nipa wuye the days are getting that car again and the President Mahama ya to ba yi no and about 10 say one of the obedi president Nicholas Obi akasa and funny enough kwakuma nu oye film na ote krom ha no otra showbiz program so kasa bebreti Akufo Addo na obi na no kasa o mampani hwane en hemra said e be ya obi obedi the president atem bia be che no president will be metrahan she babrubi kutupa so ni the president atem.
Okay.
But the freedom of speech say Ghana babrubi a o use social media didi dwa enye sika no. O man panipa so fa kwa bi so gage social media nyina bedru ba bia the oil delivery online kura na djuma be ya makwan ma nisi.
Okay.
If that is what they want to do, then President Mahama must wake up. Or mine on baby a yedru yan san ku achieve.
All right.
I don't tell the Wontumi. The Amoka ye nyina mo so for, and then you have a deputy attorney general says who protected the human rights of these people. A woman or funny Facebook ni Twitter no akotwe do pe. And sa no mo di bu man no sa social media mamu no. You get the attorney general no afa adubu ahene. No akwa chastise no. Akwa criminalizing in the public eyes. O wie ne ye de asem no court na afi court na echesi attorney general sa asem na o kan say akwa ne di ho fon fa ho evidence bra. Onyam energy minister oba ya no abetra MPP amamuo omako mu ja crude oil by 2 days. O wie a container makoma akwa MPP awia. O wie a no asa be kan kire say me kra me boa. Amamuo be na mo de maye no. The social media is going to be used for the benefit of the people of Ghana. Yeah, wasem kan ye be kan President Mahama must listen.
All right.
Wontumi or nkum nipa.
Okay.
Wontumi omo to omo safre no baye. Wontumi se no so omfa ne maye a omfa. No ofa ne wie na se nyame yaro na wontumi ba asantema mu brebia. Ye be boya de ho ban. And that is a caution. So ba ho brebia ye be boya de ho ban.
Ye be ko akotwa ye ho aba me so no wazuma o mame signals. You see the point is that Debia Diana Muslim here. But you see, I've witnessed all these kind of things, Kakra, from 1992. And we are not ready to change. You know, when people get to opposition, they become rational human beings. They can be an afraid of money. When they have power, it's the other way around. They have defense. If you go back into pages of the New Patriotic Party, and I'm happy the NDC has brought a tape of myself and Jane Obi. There I can say about Wontumi, Agrekenzima chief. You know, it's to tell politicians that you have played these games for far too long. Let's open a fresh page for this country and the citizens to benefit, not a few people are motis road the other. Or the EOCO I can't drama. So your party ni MPP and this year, I can assure you the EOCO I can't drama. They know what they are doing. Both MPP and NDC. They know what they are doing. The MPP, NDC in the opposition Ato Force and Doctor, any Jechi Kwesi, and all those people in 37 years. I'm saying, oh, they are the NDC for the kind. And look at what the NDC say. They are putting up one of the best defense in this country. Today, in opposition, all the MPP maker, and really say that is the kind of game this country we are playing. And it's dangerous. And he used the word. The days ahead of this country is getting dark. And if we are not careful, also mean we can assume at the power because it's your young I put you so sometimes the Tihana ye boy and come near MPP and NDC said maybe at this age in my life, if I cannot draw a line between what is right and what is wrong, it means that mentally I'm not okay. Timisremo, we careful as politicians whether we have power or we don't have power, how we go about things. Road construction in Ashanti region. Now, NDC need those time, but now, misrepresenting everything in Ashanti region. Now, Miss Miko Kumazia, I see what is happening. Not here, no, the truth. And these politicians, we are true for too much. We are cushy for too much at our expense. And we clap because we are MPP and we are NDC. We keep clapping. It's not giving us hope for the future. You know, let me take a Malta Guinness break, and then you back near game park na yakodi ejuma. You buy better as one. All right, so I saw by the winner about here trying to come on the soil and say a lot of your text messages is really getting interesting. Submissions by both panel members. No? Well, a lot of the text messages will be on the opinion to that, and I'm grateful. So be a actually adwene within that context am I in a quite see it me a chair who adwene a microphone for text message don't know about or quite challenge almost all the text messages
into you so
Kwakwa, you've been missing Ashanti Region Radio almost on radio so because almost
Nasa Poyando, how are you, Jumano?
Jumano. That is the truth. I am in your course. And Crawford Phyllis to make about Jumano say, baby, they were from.
Okay, so
that's what I'm saying. 2 years, so many before we apart from politics, and people Juman Kwaname. Okay, but I'm saying radio no swati and team.
So that's the also text messages. Okay, so all about Zuma. Also, what can send do now or say and nam na kwem, especially when the basis for mobile abayamuno a reset agenda mode a 2 yenima yejitu say it needs to be reset by every facet of our life. Is this in tandem with more reset agenda nana?
Oh my menu akwati ha me sani fanso na me hwe nsem na o kana enye se ni minim na dada na ni ntro ni ade no o ka mampo asem ni ade a kameka so onye gana ni because nsem na o ka no se unya na obi o wada anase obi a watu kwan a wonya access to social media ni bibia na obetie kwakwa na otisi abonten a ohu kwakwa o hwe na nimbiem o de bode mankani bayire banche hwa na osesa aye na ode cement na ode we na bebre gugura afede ye yinkofo adi kwakwa sebe mprebiasa 8 years etwem na wo man mu ha ahaya na betra o man wona host to that program no me sure yes a TV station ya so and obi be kan say ye yi adwumayfo be 1000 something a di our Ministry of Communication also ama foreign partners be program bi omo ye e wo Ghana ha kro omo so omo twema na mebo e na ha ya me ye na so no me nim de o kan yi but me hwe ansa na me free me wo ha na me ka chem say mo joy online a publish say statement na ma bontin say ye yi nkofo adi afri ha ye say ye no e kontompo ana me bo obekai very good omo de atwi omo no monam ye yi nkofo adi hwan na ye yi na die hwan na legitimately ye employ no awa ye adwuma more than a year and over ye yi na di mo wa ha mo wo mo budget a private institution or a more budget ibia modern Adom multimedia abia this 2025 mo budget mo be fa ni pasi a on be ye adwuma equipments abia machinery we mo ye ni se mo be ye ni se na sa wotena hwa na se bia wo ye CU na ade be chan ma wako na nim say mo budget mo project se mo fa ni pattern no kra na mo ntimi mfa ba fa bia ni pa be 8 na ade be chama wako na fa nipa 50 wadwuma mu ha the new CEO no ba na one ma be ye adwuma a onim se muntimi sustain sambetu omoka mote kwa na mo mismanage country no ade be chama makwa ya to aba ma lusu awie no education sector hwa sector obia na my employer no even without any financial clearance and you expected that NDC Bahama ba o metra o sasunu ene ban na wo mumu no munyai o mampani ko for efre ebefre abam ebeka be na nu na nsama na efre abam afina na o de this single spine salary payment structure eba o ma so boom adwuma for ka bi 100% 30% adwuma for na ba bonten be ka say we dey gituma enyi enu abi na musan ye yo enu abi na musan ye ya makofa nipa bro so a omo ebi ni certificate ebi nso anya financial clearance enti I know the apart from no obi ani wa na oye teacher ni oye nurse oye hwan ya oye adwuma mu owo adwuma ma yayi na di se nipa kro no yayi na di a na owo adwuma mu wa gigi ne salary ni ade a na yayi na di a ofan kokot ye omra wo man mu ha strike nyina wo ho ye obetimi dey court mo lawyers man na mo say mo lawyers bukura mo ni mo mra ne chan yen constitution na ye kwotro na man kwotro be mo say mo ni mo chan yen mo for mo court na mo ko define no mo right na mo just eno tie tetina na social media no masa na nipa nshada mo manim ko amanyosem ndie na amanyosem achi no na yes easy so when your platform I back can same be and some what ya working man pon for be breath you am say ye di she na de one can say ma I was working the same be breath I what ya no for instance we call Wontumi case we say emra no so ye chi obi a na say we be detain na more than 24 hours a fa no court kwakwa wo free akona ko kan EOCO act no establish EOCO no need the right that EOCO have ansa na wa ba beka say asem we wa ha say EOCO oni tumi a so obe detain obechi obi a detain no more than first say 28 hours 48 hours anka wonya de woye no eye mra ye no mu nyina atena mra no ho ena mra no na eye na dwuma enti sa woman right assembly na asefo na wo ka no go to court and exercise that. Go and test the law. So you could do for your institution. And you'll be an equipu Wontumi wo. I am run equipu no. And will be an time Wontumi so in time. Kennedy Japan on so in Chaba in Ghana politics. Say NDC ye per se ye will be Emia will be and you Wontumi now. And I think I misplaced priority. Say Wontumi. Wontumi a wa Ashanti regional. Ewa bako semu NDC yetimanya more than 33% or so. So who is Wontumi? Aven yakoto abana na asese. Eye na dwuma wa ye. Ehun kontabu onu obu. E na wo se amanyosfo se ya hwe ne yie. Na ko ba se ye nya kwanya ye fi se betima ye bibia because we have people following us. We have the followers. We have the crowd, the numbers. And he say we ya de anya na saban sesa. Na wa botoboy na obi abegina ho na toboy. The substantive matter na ye nyina ye de ato nche ye so ye political figure ndi ye nkana se ye de sa chire o man na nye ye o man na nye ye mampon fo bra bre akwan ne asante man tabu nim ya kwan sai asaya besi nema o mampani awotwe mu ko na na dodan ko akufo ado awo Tech FM ana azet enwa biaja or something omuka kwan ho asema che wo so wanso bi mu say wo koto aba many constituency. The past 8 years, you couldn't construct a single kilometer of road. From not even a half kilometer of road. And I'm telling you, na say this kama obi. Na say any pani tini jisika. I also dey kwan na wan fa anya kwan na say ba na ya so no mu ye de ne emra edina. Wo say am for so.
All those things, honorable me jidi say say eni nyina so kopim say benya nyina so. Court matter.
And that's start free baby na free baby.
They didn't there. Ye kasa bebre but ye court we say komo aye bo court no. And say court of public opinion, say sympathy ni propaganda and there's a big difference. They say they babe hu amanyo sem for no. Oba radio TV so dey mo ka wa ha no. Wo ko gina court there mo pebo say ebo ebra bebre. Ye srebo.
Ye ntwa man no court. But ye yate no. Ye ho kwan say ye ka. Because the yen nim
I dey offer time
and say go time there me ko baby
on can be count
me ko baby so dey na say ya say e kwa na ye na nka odan wo say me ti akwa ka me nan kra ya me say ade o man no wa asem ana ba me wo say wa ma kwan mo aka je obeka nya asem bia no na me wo me tam na so dey ama me na me so me ya me wo nya me kra aboa and na me ba ye o ba ye wo ne me classmate I was senior high school or a youth organizer and them or no saying crank wabba Wontumi waba me DMP nyina nka me nhia no Wontumi nti waba pa your friend Mponua or something youth organizer now then
I Wontumi na do waba nkan
what do waba nkan na waba nkan wo Adom wo be wo sa kwa FM wo sa kwa Asempa wo be da wo pe na wo mampon na no adwuma na wo ye no
aboa no
or launch the career for the bait for Okotume Dr. Mpensenpensenmu and no sanitation Okotuno and where our bayer or ye ya kwa bayer Ashanti region for so friend na obeku e ye Wontumi omo ya KKK you na be the copy position of brand constituency and e be the copy national positions. And to be no big one of funny petty. Hey, Wontumi, my nana. Or ya no Bema no their position. Oh, now ye in politics near ye. Omuni na who say a Titus Globe up a national position. What you say? Can you move quite the national position or more? A fact. Obia kono say boys afenyo de oye nyina say to some extent. Why somehow the face of the party no amakwatana no more chante ye kakra no masore mo dem me enko be san ba bi. Obia wa dia o de masa de omo ye no omo face the reality no omo papa no omo mpem ranim fo ma no onko twitwanye no omo njai sa threat ne getting to the darker stage de
ahead of us.
Darker stage bi say wo under nana do danko akufu ado say darker stage nti wo Ghana ha. Wo say ye ma obi nkasa na wo betena ha wo ka say obi di tu awura ha. Mutam na man for TV station. Na mo boys di Milikade se kind of money near my copam. And the end is what to say. Radio station be or any program. So or ye ko be what to say yakwa attack over that. Wo kasa obeka na hangina wo bi obesa ko free. Ukra police ni wachi, obi ani wachi. You go free. And then bra obi atimi kan asem. E wo man mu ha. Ahemfo kasa for mo hudi ensentro ameswole mu. Motam Oma ntimi ahu ewiase edum ai manase no mu dwane central for hu de si wo oman mu ha and the democracy the true definition of democracy e ye de ye hu ya mo threat ahodo amone na ma mo ye nyina na mo wi na mo san na mo sere na makoto banku gare ni beans na mo adi ya sa tete lole first so enti mo ba mo de car be brave because ya tifu ale so Kumasi ba ha first now the best 600 800 nebegu car keto ma ba and mo de 400 ne tra ntimo anya ho asoa cars be brede fra Ashanti regiment na ma hu se me wa Ashanti regiment hu mo cars no be brede nam kromu ha fu na aba fom na ntini pa no nti wadi bone na mra ne ye na wo ka se reset ne se reset ne se ye meso so de ekoso na se strike my back na me so titi machima na me so titi machima enti entwem
so you scratch and I scratch and
entwem President Mahama obeja legacy bi Wontumi nka say me ne kwakwa ya adamfo enti say me wo power me so kwakwa mu ana me so me ba obeso me mu ye was say you protected the state the resources
we are comfortable
we are holding in trust of
we are comfortable with a sana reset in each
obia obedi body tie ye political persecution Wotumi say nipa yi na de ye DH bi te say judge question issue na omo DH na eniti ni na ni hwene what you say your cases bi wo ha Wotumi say we eni say ni na ni hwe eye tan hunu and ye wo bi wo ha
enti woni de no Wontumi de no emra de na de adwuma
de matie allegations for now mechanism say establish the allegations here kokoko isu ya na ye no kra ufi say was ye ma Wontumi fa no hudi ebra wa ball man no kro no etisa yesusu say wa ball man no kro no etisa yes na make am sanity but I was offer processes we na ye chi na ma ba say ye njai no hwan na so che Ghana mra na sabe Mahama President Mahama so che Ghana mra obia no so che Ghana mra and obia ntimi mfa ehunahuna enkasa no kra ni da ba bia under President John Dramani Mahama ye de beto nchen ye de mra ne be ye de ye say ye Wontumi say ye hwan say national chairman obe penti na me ka say ye pe obi target na national chairman dai Wontumi be di national chairman wo krom ha e de ama MPP no mark my words say that is the end of MPP coming to power 38% kro hunya e won national elections wo de mo ma Wontumi na ye Wontumi Jesus Christ ye vampire to make enya national chairman sam kra wanya national ma wunim omo ye bone ye gusu investigate omo no bebre ana de omo de yana no omo de firi omo so na de baba wonya bone obi afa hwemfa ma so to omo ya omo se ya sori
yenya sa kasa no ana ya
sori wonya bone enka se de firi no so ye de baba so
ba wa ye bone dia
yes bebre wom MPC no mko tana form kro bebre de wo ma ye hwehwem enche bebre de wo enye tan o oman se wo kọ me kro mu a we are kwan free wa amount for bre no me ba di MP ya nya ma me fan bia se me fa ko ye bibia no me call rounds me call ye no me use be 1 week na me call schools I work me constituency omo tie mo he me omo di adance ye me call about 6-7 police electoral areas schools I work co interactive infrastructure the poor level state of infrastructure school die will be better than woni bi akonya kura bi tra for he omo ko fa nkonya bi omo supply me district no more than 3,000 or so nkonya akonya no se wo dua ene metal idea akonya na wo rebe ho Ghana ni aye de contractor man akonya no so omo de 50 back constituency ni mo a district wa omo nyimu ho na ebu be 10 de wo de yahwe enye ye bi na scrap akonya practical pansa chese akonya no omo de dua bi a dua no yan wa kura so no cyber
they say audit now punish the oya adwuma no
wo ko chi we a na say bi a oye conference organizer and say former communication regional communication director bi akwakwa na aya ne ye ko fa kwakwa ne ya ka che say kwakwa person oye mampon MP nti na ye tata na mampon MP okoye efa ho be ana say person be regional national general secretary efa ho be MPP for na kasa mu ekwa na start ka che say wontumi ye nche no ye chi wontumi nso no me say ko social media one people for be brea omufua so pradi adanse ye ba aba wontumi ena nya wontumi nko be bre de wo hwa ye ba amoa na mo de adanse ne ye dai e ba
MPP for no
yes enya tan so no mo tan no ba o monim say o man no ho do na ye say MPP for nyina na no man no he allegations o mo ye ema former vice president ko ya ono so kra ko ka bi a na ntisa the lawyer, the leader of the legal counsel for Wontumi.
And they appear.
Yes. What you know?
Libya seems to be smooth on this part.
Yes, only Mumbrano. I don't want him say, well, read it before you criticize what is happening. Find time and read the act of EOCO. Then we can say EOCO I go beyond ne mandate no rights. Then you have every right to criticize. But say we spend about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I read this act no one read it. Now be general can say ya che Wontumi the national 7 days or 8 days or 6 days inti or ye Wontumi. Adom say yamfa mranya adwuma Ghana bi.
Okay.
Ghana for mo sorry o. Mo sorry na yamfa mranya adwuma Ghana ha o. Mo sorry. Say so what say nyina so. Adom say yamfa mranya Ghana.
Mranya adwuma.
Ya say dem mranya adwuma.
Ye enkusu obi su alo.
Da say what say yesu. De omo ye de so ma ya ye say de ye mpese dem mranya adwuma wo Ghana ha bi. Adom yamfa mranya adwuma Ghana.
Okay, so Dennis.
Braka Rahma menyina menua MP Azuma na memfa achopama Asanteman especially
oh you be spokesperson na
na we dey ono wa ha
no nani ama no ho so bi a wa hu se odi atem o hu NDC fo so ban
what when people
o mo fa ne se ma men kama se
wa
amen kama se me odi atem kra wa
wo jina be man na mu a me jina ha me ti ha
me jina ha wodi atem wa
ajo ma sa kwanya no
da be okay ma men kan try say ye da na se wodi di atem say
when o de
say ko bia champo
wo de kan sa wa
say ko bia champo jina o ka kire say ye kokko asinkurasefo no ye da ma men kan na da na so ma men kama se ye da na se wa ka kire say na ye be nkran aboa ye nim nkran ti je bi de ban kwan
na me free order ba
ye da na se Minim sa manchefo ato abama wo na aboa ma ne nkran
yeah
mama ene abamotuma ne nti ofili se ene ono de oye nkran ni
me nya nkran ni me so bi na be ba se bi na bi obi beba
eno nti ye ba ha bibi na aboa ya da na se ya to so miedu
kwakwa ha
oye member of parliament bi afi ni ato abama ne 5 months constitution onya dade nkan wie
yeah
Uncle Kai Biu, a member of parliament, Article 14, Clause 3. Fundamental human rights award Ghana Constitution. Mrebia ni Ghana. I so check the Constitution of Ghana, 1992. Mrebia no. So the EOCO's Act is not
a subset of the main constitution.
It's just subservient to the main constitution. Article 14 say. Article 14 say. Oh please, my man Kasamanya Botrama Pao. Wakasa Makumaku 18 minutes. My
member of parliament, so he needs to be protected here.
And I want to be one who bow. I also have my rights. And I'm first of all as MPP the smart man. And my in my own why a member of parliament and say 14 say.
I know
the only Jano. 14 say. 14 was a soy CID. About Toba Macasa, but we CID. We EOCO. We NIB wine. And Brana say. So what you be a 1992 14 3 so you be. Now all friends say been 2 kipuna. As a cell court, quadget permission. I may drive a can't say, make a car you could warrant, say, issue warrant, Mawa. You issue warrant to suffer Cochubia, and your court no issue warrant. No, please, I make a master. And EOCO ma and the warrant Cochubia, EOCO warrant and more court to the so. And when it's a court to Nama warrant, or best stated a number of days. But me a kipuni pano. At the Sunday, Wakwachi pano fresh, no Wakwaji permission. So court na ma warrant, that is how it is done. And on 2 MP and Nantina missing for more public. No, they are tossed me person between Basso, eh? A kufu de Baumiaba, Omu D, Mahama and Melsade. Till you are mine, till the mecano. Baby or Yanya, Miabuano, a DMP, a fem no better ha, or Kahom Puntu Assemno. President J. Kufu. Neho eka new Dubiase constituency na Kufuor, a chairman or Marco from constituency, Kufuor and MPP. Not time I had to constituency, a from constituency, no. Not district in India, not Honda associate new Dubiase, and that's out to say. Now, do Danko Kufuor do be dear dear, and I'll create district out of new Dubiase, Emma a from district, a buy. And not the MPP in the creative constituency on your MPD. Yanene. Ya creative district and the chairman no galamse no so betu ase na muntumi no ya friend phone so a o ka kasa bia me no mi ntumi nka no e no nya DC yedi na na do dan kwa kufu ado ko hwe assembly block o wasiesi o buzane se mas mahama mfie nwotwe no o mo ya 1 km road ja na nka no osu se ne krom 1 km no ya creative constituency ya creative district mo ba mo ntumi amfa 1 km road ankwa na o ba boy so ya anya hwe kura nka ho no yesi assembly block. Yes, schools, Yama school buses, and ya the Obayan, one your big count. Send a Bianco, but what by no? Oh, you are tell me the achievement of NBC in the district. I'm waiting. Or time cried you as I will be. Until I will make a who say, women tell of Brapa pay. I bet I had Cassana. Oh, you see a young wedding MP4. I dare bet me up for President Mahamadi. Now some day money, Yan say, or Quaba pay. I know him from Swore. Ebi o ha o ye the first time we expect to send the second time we oben ko nye bio na momonim say appointment debi o ha pa ho on the 28th of December and o ko appoint bra ya to aba wo luzu no appointed Domelevo so mayor the general miano in 2 weeks and on the council of state transie 6 January de eche o de akofuna hye Akufo Addo nsem no and o confirm Domelevo appointment say Akufo Addo ba wontimi nya ho hwe please Joseph Weta Shrad Commissioner, Edabena Mahama appointed no. Nina hini block site na Mahama, time concession no na e worth over $265 billion. Emma Ibrahim Mahama no. Enya 28 December no sign. Oh please, my man come asem. Enya 28 December until metra you don't come and approbate and reprobate. As I would the one you be there can appointment of common Ghanaian assembly enye appointment me Akufo Addo 29th November. And Akufo Addo appointed me executive secretary of SIBA. Council of Indigenous Business Associations, 29 December and November. Now I just 8 days. I'm here to what I say. The appointment is legal. President Mahama on the 4th of April. My country are 1 month, 1 day. On the 4th of April, I tell letters so I revoke this appointment now. A good father demand. A executive secretary appointment. President in the choose the person in the edge. No qualms about it. Call ordinary people are for teaching appointment. But like I say, any financial clearance will be a while. In an appointment letter was given way back in July. Or started in August. Why you must have 5 months and ability fee. Moama who say by social media, first boy be a free voter. or you catch and so on contribute you soon. Yes, sir. Or near Pino, no harm, I campaign with Honina, and the Trump people for the man was mobile Amazon coffee. Well, who be? More party for. And so say I can't and near my AC na, everyone, Mabuna. A may the day. President John Draman, the Mr. Oman, 18 minutes. I'm feeling Macassa 4 minutes. Mammy being come, Miss Rowe. I know the man could because I dare not. Oh, please. I didn't go ya now, Cassawa. Nameba. Enkoya na Cassawa, Wontumi. Let me come and dwell something small, Wontumi. Ebe catch and say, see, I declare letter come out to me, Sabra, here, or say me, Pamacho, they are more frame. I do Adameba. The lawyer actually, see, I did 2 days before so Babano. Nay, see you could force a half for benefit. Mobile and if you get to Cramont to me, and so Mumba Cannabon, ten say, Marco Facas, Marco 18, it won't me area. I are buying cars. Till Mom refuge, and some of the side and about Timmy Goon Hoofy. Most won't to me. Ako forest mu ako 2 galam say wo krom opa yem frɛ nsu a wa manchem nyina go dia say gadis for emu forest mu na o ya galam say emponua ba bia na damfo no firi ba ya no chairman no o na 2 galam say ama bibia ni kwa no aduru kwa mu I don't know what they do. They are more Canada. Want to be chairman. Someone to before someone to be young people chairman. 2014. No, I say I'm from to be. Thank you so much.